Ayan guys, hi! This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang makeup. Today vlog is about, we're talking real talk tayo sa about booster, what I feel and what I take, okay? So ayan guys, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bells para lagi kayong update for my new video. Okay? So you're always notified with my new video. So guys, ayan, just listen and just watch my booster real talk. Okay? So bye!
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan, hello. Hello mga kalindog. Ayan, i-update ko lang kayo. I will update you after the after my booster injection. Ayan, I'm in my bed now. Ayan, update ko sa inyo what I feel or what did you feel. So, ayan, I feel after my booster injection, well, I feel it's all heavy my head, my body and my arms where I get my my injection, where did the injection. And of course, ayan, I feel this morning when I wake up, or I woke up this morning like I wanna throw up. I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna make a breakfast also. I don't have nothing. Basta I feel lazy and I feel heavy. That is the side effect for me for the booster injection. At saka, and ano pa ba? Yun lang, I feel really lazy, tamad na tamad ako. Masakit yung ulo, my head is really ganun, it's here on sa may batok. Parang, did you know guys, when you have, yeah, I mean fever, yeah, pag nagka-fever kayo. For example, you got sick. You got sick for the you got sick like that, so you feel after sick you're getting better now after you're sick. Your what do you call that, the influenza. After your influenza you got sick. It's like that, what you feel when like that 2 days or after 1 day you're getting better. Ganon, yun ang nararamdaman ng side effect ng aking booster injection. Oo, yun ang side effect. Tapos, of course, masakit yung pinag-injectionan, like here, ito, masakit talaga siya yung where the injection did here, my arms, no? Talagang masakit siya. Masakit siya, I cannot move there, or hindi ako makatulog on the this side. So hindi ako what do you call that, hindi ako makapag ano ba yung tawag doon, yung I cannot lean this my arms dahil masakit siya. Yun ang side effect guys, masakit, hindi mo siya malip, hindi mo siya mataas, hindi mo siya magamit itong braso mo after ng siguro after ng 20 hours. Yan ang side effect guys. Isa pa yan, yung ano ha. So, sorry kung nag-i-English ako, trying hard to be talking or telling in English kasi 'di ba, mayroon tayong mga bisitang mga nanonood, mga friends, all my friends is from other country. Ayan, kaya sinishare ko. So, but anyways, hindi na siya kagaya nung first injection. Kasi my first injection or my first COVID infung or inject is too much worse for me. Talagang I have a fever, para akong yung lumilipad. I feel I'm floating in the air and I cannot stand up really. That's my first time I remember. 2 days ako, I have 2 days I feel fever, I feel warm, but I don't have a fever like that. So, and all my body is aching. That is the first shot I got. And then, and the second shot is, it's only 1 day na lang. It's only 1 day. I got my, I feel also the same, laziness, and I want to throw up also. And, talagang, I feel also my, fever, but I don't have also fever. But guys, I don't take any, medicine or any or any paracetamol. Never I took, because my doctor told me if I cannot, or if I really feel sick, so I need to take it. But the doctor told me if I can resist, or kaya ko, so it's better don't take a medicine. So because yung our immune system try to fight for the virus, you know, because you know, the virus for the influenza and corona, it's like pareho lang ng ano yan eh, ng influenza, or kasi they try to meditate or medicate themselves, our body system. They try our body system na ipaglaban o paglaban yung virus. So that's why they said try to do it by myself. So that's why I don't take any medicine. I don't have any paracetamol taken. So talagang pinaglaban ko, tinis ko yung I feel laziness, headache, but my headache is not too stark or not too hard. Yung talagang parang really something here, yung meron lang ganon. But anyways, nakayanan ko, okay lang yon. So that's why guys, if mas maganda talaga yung you don't need to take a medicine or any paracetamol. Kasi kailangan talaga ng ating immune system ipaglaban yan. So kaya I try like that. So ayan, I hope na i-share ko lang sa inyo what I felt in my first injection, and my second infung or injection, and my booster. So ngayon, ay at least itong my third or my booster is hindi na siya, it's not too much ganong kalala, hindi na siya ganong ka laziness. Talagang yung parang talagang you're only lazy, tamad na tamad ka, you don't wanna do nothing, yung ganun lang. That is only what I feel right now. No more like the same. So kaya guys, ayan, share, that's why I wanna share with you what I felt, no? So guys, it's better don't take any paracetamol or anything, no? Drink only more water, lang ng water. Ako talagang nag-water lang talaga. Water therapy I did. Kasi ginawa ko talaga yung 2 liters of 2 liters ng bottles of water every I did every 20 minutes. Ginagawa ko, inom. Ang tinake ko lang, it's only a vitamin C. Only that, vitamin C. That's always I take it. Every morning, once a day, yung tablet ng vitamin C ko. At saka more water. Ayan, at saka kailangan nyo lang really rest. More rest after your booster or your injection. Para at least, di ba, napaglalabanan nyo yung pain, yung laziness. Take a rest, more rest, and more liquid. Ayan, yan lang ang ginawa ko. Ayan, parang okay na, at least after siguro mga 20 hours. After 20 hours my injection, you see, I already can can wash the plate, I can moving at least kahit paano, and I brought also I brought my dogs outside. Ganun lang, yeah. And then after I brought again, I go back again in my bed like this or laying down. So, kailangan lang natin the warm place. Ayan, yung cool lang. Cool and take a rest, more liquid. Ayan, guys. So, yan lang. Sana, I hope na maano nyo rin yan, makaya ninyo yung anyong injection. Ayan. O, diba? Kanya lang ginagawa ko every minutes. Ayan, mag-take ulit ako inom ulit ako ng tubig. I drink again water so they can help. Yung ihi lang kayo ng ihi, you go to toilet, it's better. At least, di ba, nakakatulong yan. Ayan. Ganyan lang, ayan ginagawa ko. Inom lang talaga. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa iyo kinain ko. Yan lang mga kinakain ko talagang more fruits at saka more liquid. Ayan. Bali, kumain ako ng, I think I eat already the two pieces of orange. Ayan. Kasi, ayan, straight lang ang pag-inom. At saka more vitamin C na orange juice or yung orange. Yan lang. Tapos better talaga na CR kayo na mag-CR, go to toilet, so para mabawasan yung init ng inyong katawan. Ayan lang guys, ganun lang. Yung share ko sa inyo, sana it's makatulong, they can help you a little bit. So, try to make injection or make your ano ba tawag doon yung your ano ba tawag? Sorry guys ha. They call there in the Philippines, they call the after your ano ba tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. Because I have a headache guys. Okay, basta please gawin niyo yon, magpa-inject kayo, do the inpung or injection, the COVID or for the COVID, so they can help us para at least pwede na tayo makapag-travel, pagpunta natin ng mga restaurant, we don't need no more the test, we don't need the test, only your green pass. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kasi after my ano kasi yung after my booster, ayan guys, ganito na siya. Ganito na ang itsura nila. Ayan. Ayan oh, di ba? It's a check validate, ayan, check validate to travel. Ayan, ganyan lang. Para at least papakita nyo lang sila, ganyan lang, pati sa restaurant. Yun lang, no more. Ay, yung bakuna, yeah, I remember. After your bakuna, gawin nyo yung magpabakuna kayo. Yes, that's it. Gawin nyo guys, magpabakuna kayo para at least kasi ang bakuna or ang inject or the corona inject, it's or inpung, it's better. They can raise our nakakaris yun na pag nagkaroon tayo ng virus, at least ano tayo yung hindi deadly. It's not deadly for us, and hindi tayo very severe kapag nagkaroon tayo ng COVID. So kaya yan, do it your inpung or do it your bakuna or inject for the, there are big advantage para sa mga nakabakuna yan. So nakakatulong yan guys, kaya do it, magpagawa pa-inject kayo para makatulong yan sa atin. Yun lang, okay? At for our para hindi tayo mahawaan agad o mahawaan man tayo, ligtas tayo, we are free for the deadly virus at saka sa severe na hindi tayo mahirapan. Parang na-immune na tayo sa ating virus. Okay? So guys, yun lang. Sorry and thank you sa disturb or thank you who watch this my updating or sharing with you about my booster. So guys, please do it. Magbabakuna kayo, magpaimpong kayo, it's better. So nakakatulong sa sarili natin. Ayan. Sa mga ayaw naman magpabakuna, well, that's your ano nyo yan, right nyo yan. Kung gusto nyo, okay. Pero, yung akin lang, tignan nyo ako, after my impong or my inject, never na ako nagkaroon ng sipon or nothing. Ayan. So guys, thank you. Thank you guys. Keep health and keep healthy. Ayan. Bleib gesund all. At saka ingat tayo. Ayan guys. Huwag tayong lumabas pag meron tayong nararamdaman. Don't go out para sa ating mga families natin or friends. So, keep always distance and follow our protocols para sa ating safe na for the family, okay? Oo guys, be safe. Ayan, we don't know what will happen tomorrow or next month, next day. So, kailangan natin be careful. You know, you don't know what will happen to us. You see, hindi natin nakikita tong ating our kalaban, we don't see these virus. So that's why we need to be careful. Ayan. Kasi ako ang dami kong mga kaibigan from Italy and the Philippines. Oh, I talk to them. And then after tomorrow, nasa ICU na pala sila. And then yung iba wala na. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, God bless us. Kaya guys, ayan, be safe. Ayan. Mag-ingat tayo, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari. Dangerous, napakaano niya yung ano ba tawag doon, yung hindi natin nakikita 'di ba? Kaya please, yun lang. Be safe and bleib gesund at ingat tayo lagi, ano? I mean, 'di ba? Napaka-traidor ng virus na ito. Hindi natin alam, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam. Kaya life is too short, guys. Gawin natin 'yan. Okay? Enjoy and be careful. Bleib's gesund always and be healthy. Okay? Iwasan natin tong virus na traidor. So guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Bleib's gesund and be healthy. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.